Probably saw the headlines over the weekend about some freezing temperatures and accumulating snow this week.
And there's an update today on what we're going to see or not see.
And that's why we are starting tonight with 13 on your side, Chief Meteorologist George Lessons. George, no need to panic, right?
That's correct. In terms of snow, you need to panic if you're looking for temperatures staying above freezing. We have got three nights in a row where there may be damaging freeze, especially to those fruit crops with their full blossom in many areas. Tonight, we have another freeze warning for the northern counties. There was one last night. This goes into effect at 1 o'clock in the morning through 8 o'clock on Tuesday morning. It will be expanded southward. This is for Tuesday night through Thursday morning, because there's going to be 2 nights where there's going to be freezing temperatures. They're going to get well down into the mid and upper 20s. That is a critical range for freezing of the fruit crops. Temperatures tonight are going to tail off from the mid 40s where we are now down into the low 30s here at the airport in Grand Rapids, and then we'll fall again down into the mid and upper 20s on Wednesday morning. So this is a very cold period coming up. Our temperatures have fallen off from earlier today. We were as warm as 53 earlier today. Temperatures have been falling ever since. We're 45 right now out at the airport as a cold front has gone through. The good news is that cold front is bringing in some drier air as well. So we're getting some breaks in the clouds, and that drier air is also going to push further to the south. So that means the snow that we were anticipating over southern lower Michigan is being pushed further to the south. We may not see any snow at all here in Grand Rapids, Holland, and Muskegon. In fact, I'm pretty sure that's not going to happen. Any snow may fall down around Kalamazoo, Battle Creek, and Jackson, and that will be tomorrow afternoon. So we're out of the woods in terms of any kind of impact snow. Temperatures have cooled off. We got a cool week coming up. By the time we get into the second half of the week, we're going to start to warm up, however. So tonight, 31 Grand Rapids, 43 tomorrow, 25 Wednesday morning, and 43 in the afternoon. And you can see temperatures will gradually warm up back to seasonal highs by the weekend. Closer look at where that snow will fall coming up a little bit later on. Well, we had a beautiful weekend here in West Michigan. We had some more much needed rain earlier today, but we could do without the damaging freeze that's coming next 3 nights. 13 weather ball is green. No change to the cool weather pattern foreseen. Back into the mid 40s again tomorrow like we were this afternoon. And this view sponsored by Countryside Greenhouse of Allendale. We said temperatures will be falling to 40 by around 5 o'clock. It's 45, and we'll try to get back on track here during the day tomorrow. Temperatures climbed up to around 53 before the cold front went through, and then dropped them all the way down to the low 40s at 1, and we recovered since to around 43 degrees. We did get some much needed rain, although it wasn't a lot, about a tenth to as much as a quarter of an inch down toward the Benton Harbor area. We're making up a little bit of our deficit. We're running about 4/10 of an inch below average for April, a lot for spring by 1.25 inches, and even for the year we're close to 2 inches below average. Showers are now pretty much come to an end. There will be a few more sprinkles perhaps up to the north next couple of hours, but all the way around we've got some chilly weather coming through because of this cold front that went through, and that's pushing further to the south. The good news is the storm track is going a little bit further south down into eastern Oklahoma, eastern Kentucky, and into the southern New England states. What's that going to mean for us is that it's trending with snow farther south. This is those sprinkles up to the north here next couple of hours. Tomorrow, just cloudy skies for the most part. By late afternoon, there could be some light snow getting up to around Kalamazoo, Battle Creek, maybe to Lansing, but none here in the greater Grand Rapids area. In fact, maybe a sunny day up here in Ludington, and that moves quickly to the southeast. Skies clear very late Tuesday night through Wednesday morning, and this is when the critical freeze will take place under these clear skies. We'll see a couple of clouds on Wednesday afternoon, and then clearing out again for Thursday morning with a little bit lighter wind, and then we will see lots of sunshine coming up here on Thursday afternoon. Over the weekend, we'll have more sunshine with a few high clouds on Friday. On Saturday, there's a chance of some scattered showers coming on through, especially late in the afternoon and evening, and not real confident that's going to happen, and then back into some sunshine on Sunday. So this weekend, maybe not quite as nice as this past weekend, but I guess the good news is all the heavier snow, according to the European model, is going to stay from Kalamazoo to Battle Creek well off to our south, with the highest impacts from about Fort Wayne on up through Cleveland to around Erie, Pennsylvania. Upper level winds are still going to be out of the west and northwest through the middle part of the week. The good news is it's going to start to shift more to the west and southwest as we get into late in the weekend, early next week. This looks like temperatures getting closer to 70. Long range outlook for the first 14 days of May. If you missed this on Friday, we're right in between higher chances for warmer temperatures and higher chances for cold. That means we have equal chances here. No reason to see other than the mid and upper 60s, but higher chances for more rain during the first 2 weeks of May. Tomorrow, though, mostly cloudy skies, 40 to as warm as 43, not too far away from where you were today. Around 40 to 41 after freezing temperatures up north under mostly cloudy skies. If there's any snow at all, it'll be to the south around Battle Creek and Kalamazoo. Otherwise cloudy and temperatures in the low 40s. 13 on your side forecast. Around 50 and breezy Thursday, but finally near our average high on Friday at 60, 61 with a chance of those afternoon showers Saturday, and then cooler behind that front in the 50s Sunday, and then warming right back up to the mid 60s to near 70 perhaps by next Wednesday.